Are you looking for some house hacks? Let's face it, we all can agree the housing market has been very volatile over the last couple of years. In fact, oftentimes I hear buyers say they feel like they are on a roller coaster ride. Hi, I am Daniela Duta with Comstock Realty. It is no wonder why many buyers feel like they are on the ups and downs when they are trying to purchase a home. With low inventory, fluctuating mortgage rates, and competition, it makes a tough market for some buyers, especially first-time home buyers. We are starting to see in some certain regions what it's called like house hacking. So what is house hacking? House hacking is finding a creative way to make a home purchase affordable. Let's explore some hacking options. How about buying a home with your family or your bestie? These co-buying trends allowed the buyer to pool their resources and financings together with people they love to come up with a larger down payment and or closing cost, or perhaps advertise a room for rent to help with house cost. But if you having a long-term roommate is too big of a commitment for you, consider just renting out one room in the house as a short-term rental, maybe to a college student or traveling nurse. This way, they can help with the mortgage expenses, but are not vested in the property long term. Another hack to consider is renting out parking or storage space, or even your pool. As a homeowner, you may have more to rent than just a room. Take a look around the property you are interested in to see what you can profit from, or you can even find a property that has a separate rental unit to maintain your property but make some extra income. Bottom line is always best to work with an experienced real estate agent who can show you the different strategies to help make your dream a reality.